Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We're here at Lake Wendouree in Ballarat. Beautiful day here. It's about 24-25 degrees. We're here at Lake Wendouree. There you go, there's the lake in the distance. Beautiful lake. So we've been here maybe an hour or two. We drove around the whole lake and it took about 15 minutes to drive around the lake. So, Mum's got Steve. So just walking over to this section here. Bit of like a swampland. We saw a guy fishing, so I'm not sure. There's a couple of looks like swans. Yeah, there's swans there with the big swan. I'll zoom into it. There you go, big swan there. Obviously the little babies. Yeah. They're probably coming here to get some food. They're coming closer, there you go, swans. There you go, I've just zoomed in. There's Mama or Daddy and all the little baby swans. I don't know if they call them they're not called, well, I'm not sure what the baby ones are called, but they must be friendly. And there you go, there's Mummy and Daddy there. They're all coming closer here too. And there's Mum with Steve. There you go, there's Steve. Hey Mum. So I better watch where I'm walking. There you go. How cool is that? Now they're coming closer, they're probably getting fed by all the people, so they're probably used to humans. Yeah, no, Steve doesn't want to drink the water. There you go, how cool is that? They're coming up right up close. They're only about 3 metres from me now. Look at that. Steve, you see the little family of swans? I think they want some food. No, we haven't got any food, so there you go. Beautiful place here. Hello Daddy and Mummy. As long as you don't come out and start chasing me. Yeah, I think they want food, I think that's what I'm saying. Sorry guys, we didn't bring any food. We didn't know you guys were here. But anyway, I'll zoom back out. There's Steve down there. Where are you, Steve? There you go, he's looking at him too. Yes, no, we'll let you go, Steve. You can go in for a swim. And yeah, he's looking at him. Steve's looking at him. So it's a beautiful place here. But anyway, we're going to do a bit of exploring. I didn't bring my camera out of the car. Just using my phone at the moment. Mum wants to get past. We're just going to walk a bit and then get in the car. Steve's enjoying his day here. Yeah, sorry guys, I didn't bring any food. Maybe next time. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. We're going to do a bit more exploring. Beautiful day here in, well, I was going to say Melbourne, but we're in Ballarat, which is about 110 k's out of Melbourne. And we're at Lake Wendouree. And across that side, on the other side of the road, is the Botanic Gardens, which we might have a look at as well. But I thought I'll take a quick video of the lake. Thanks for watching everyone. Enjoy your day. Stay safe, take care, and like, share and subscribe, and be good. Bye bye.